Hey, Todd here. So I've got a little bit of a dilemma. I've been shooting with the C70s for probably 3 years now, and I absolutely love these cameras, this camera. I got two, that way when I'm shooting A camera, B camera, they're gonna match them up. Color looks the same. Makes it really easy when I'm editing, and that's what I like. But I've been thinking about upgrading to either the C80 or the C400. And my question is, do I really need to? Here's a look at a job I just shot a week ago. Obviously, I'm out on the road again in a nice hotel room here. After shooting all day today, I'm a little bit exhausted. So that was some footage just shot for Doc Martens. Shot on the C70s, one I had on a gimbal and one I hand hold. Match the settings. It makes it so nice to just drop them in and edit, and the color's all the same, everything matches. But I've still been tempted to upgrade to the C80 or the C400 or the Ronin 4D. As a matter of fact, I've been looking at that. But after looking at the footage and what I actually shoot most of the time, I don't really need more than 4K, to be honest, for what I do. And for the TV spots I shoot and that kind of stuff, they're just fine. I just have been really tempted to get that full frame C80 or the C400, and I really like getting the new gear and staying up to date. But there's a point when you get to where I don't really need to spend that kind of money just for something I want. I don't really need it. And I do believe you do need to upgrade when gear is made that much of a change, and it will really improve things. And I like to, have the right tool for the right job, make things easier, go faster. But at this point, I think it's just a want more than a need. And I think everybody kind of needs to think about that when the newest thing comes out. If it's not that big of a jump, do you need to upgrade? And I'm coming to the realization I don't need to upgrade at this point. I really want to upgrade, but I'm going to hold off until I really get a need for that third body. I mean, I still have my Zcam E2 F6 that I don't use a lot, and why do I need the C80 or the C400 when I have the two C70s? I just don't need it. And I wouldn't get rid of the C70s, because then, they're two great cameras that work really well. And the form factor, I got one sitting here on this job. I'm down in San Francisco, outside of San Francisco, shooting mainly stills, but I did shoot a little video today. Just brought one of the C70s with me. And the form factor is just like shooting 35 for me. So I really, when I'm hand holding it, it's great. These things are just fantastic. And I don't know, having the C80, the full frame on the C80 would be great. But I think if the difference isn't that major, why do you need to upgrade? And I haven't shot with one yet, a C80, so I can't really compare them yet. Believe me, eventually I'm going to get one. I know it. But at this point, I'm not going to upgrade. I'm going to stay with the two C70s because the footage from these things is great. I love these cameras. They are really, really good. I can't say that enough. But yeah, no upgrading at this point. I'm going to stay put and stay with what I have. And yeah, now I got to get backing up gear. Not gear, backing up the files from today's shoot. I'm just getting a little exhausted from the day. But anyway, no upgrade for now. If you've got comments or you think I should, let me know. Let me know if you've upgraded to the C80 or the C400, what you think. I've watched a lot of reviews, people talking about the focus on the C400. The autofocus isn't great. I know the autofocus on the C70 is pretty good. I mean, I've found some flaws in that, but so far it works great. So appreciate you watching. Till next time, I'm out.